Imagine walking into a clinic where your doctor is an algorithm, where AI systems can detect cancer cells before symptoms even appear, where surgery is performed by robotic arms guided by machine vision. Welcome to the future of AI in healthcare. And it's already begun. AI is rapidly becoming a doctor's most powerful ally. Take Google's DeepMind. It can detect over 50 eye diseases with the accuracy of world-class specialists. Then there's IBM Watson, tested in hospitals for cancer diagnosis. In several instances, it outpaced doctors in speed and accuracy. These tools process millions of medical records, images, and lab reports in seconds. They don't replace doctors, but they provide data-backed insights to guide them. Think of AI as a hyper-efficient co-pilot, flagging red flags early and offering possible diagnosis that human eyes might miss. Developing a new drug traditionally takes 10 to 15 years, but with AI, we are slashing that timeline. In 2020, AI helped discover Halicin, a new antibiotic capable of killing drug-resistant bacteria. Companies now use machine learning to simulate how drugs interact with human cells before real-world trials begin. AI can predict side effects, optimize dosages, and identify the most promising compounds from billions of possibilities. Even clinical trials are going virtual, with AI monitoring real-time patient data to adapt and fast-track life-saving treatments. Welcome to the era of precision surgery. Robotic systems like the Da Vinci surgical systems let doctors operate with micro movements, reducing risk and recovery time. AI analyzes patient vitals during surgery, flagging early signs of distress before a human could react. Beyond the operating room, smart hospitals use AI to predict patient flow, optimize bed allocation, and even prevent readmissions. AI-assisted tools help nurses monitor patients remotely, ensuring faster response times and better care. But with all this power comes responsibility. Should AI be allowed to make life and death decisions? Who's accountable if the AI makes a mistake? Bias in training data could mean misdiagnosis for certain groups. Patient privacy is also a major concern. Massive data sets must be protected, and that's why the future of AI in healthcare isn't just about algorithms. It's about building ethical frameworks, human oversight, and transparency. The ideal healthcare future is not AI versus humans. It's AI with humans. The real promise of AI lies in personalization. Imagine a digital twin, a virtual model of your body that predicts your risk for disease and suggests tailored treatments. Imagine AI that monitors your vitals 24/7, detects anomalies, and alerts you before symptoms arise. It's proactive, isn't it? This isn't science fiction, it's already happening in pilot programs throughout the globe. The goal isn't to replace doctors, it is to give them superpowers. As we stand on the edge of a medical revolution, one thing is clear. The future of healthcare is not just digital, it's intelligent. And in this future, doctors and machines work together to keep us healthier, longer, and stronger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 10-Minute Tales for more mind-blowing stories from the edge of science and technology. The next video is going to be amazing. Just imagine What if your next vacation wasn't to the mountains or the beach, but to outer space? Unimaginable, right? In our next episode, we will explore the incredible rise of space tourism, how companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are turning science fiction into your next travel destination. Questions like, what does a ticket to space really cost? Who's going first? The billionaires, astronauts, or everyday people like you and me? Get ready for a liftoff as we reveal the future of space tourism and how you could be floating in zero gravity. Think, coming soon only on 10 Minute Tales.